Kamiti ya UGAI wa KIGINA gĩa thirikari hamwe na ministry ya KIGINA mendekithitie kaunti igairwo ciringi bilioni 394.14 mwaka-ini wa KIGINA wa 2024-2025 maya ari mendekithia Kanju ya magavana ireganite namo. Thutha wa gutabania mucemanio, magavana mendekithitie kaunti ithukirwo ciringi bilioni 450 niguo kuhota gutangikira maundu mwanya mwanya thiini wa kaunti.
That instead the council proposes at a minimum that the county equitable share to be Kenya shillings 450 billion for the financial year 2024-2025. This will factor in adjustment for the revenue growth, adjustment for inflation, and the Road Maintenance Levy Fund RMLF projected allocation of 10.52 billion shillings.
MWAKAIINI wa Kanju WAIGURU no amenereirie gucirithirio kwa mbeca kuri kaunti. WAIGURU akiuga kuma mweri wa Novemba mwaka muhituku nginya mweri-ini uyu wa Januari mwaka uyu ciringi bilioni 81.8 nicio iterekereirio kuri kaunti, undu uria uhotometie mihango ya gutangikira maundu matiganite.
Arrears are as follows: 17.48 billion owed to 24 counties for November 2023 allocation, Kenya shillings 30.83 billion owed to 47 counties for December 2023, and Kenya shillings 32.76 billion owed to 47 counties for January 2024. The delay has also impeded the county's ability to respond effectively to emergencies such as ongoing floods across various parts of the county.
Hamwe noguo, Kanju no ithiete na mbere na kuregana na riboti igie mendekithia ma kamiti ya mogaruruku ruhonge-ini rwa githomo igikinyiriria mamwe ma mendekithia maya ni maraingirira wiyathi wa mirutire ya wira ya thirikari cia county hoka ni maundu makonie githomo.
Having gone through the full report, its recommendations and the negative impact it poses on to devolution, we as a council reject in total the recommendations by the Working Party on education as they undermine the basic structure and framework of the management of education by the counties. Further, we call upon the Kenya National Union of Teachers to support the spirit and letter of the Constitution.
Ihinda-ini o riu, WAIGURU no ataririe mubango uria uriho wa thirikari cia kaunti na thirikari nene kunyitanira hari ukinyaniria wa uguri na uthaitiri wa mashini mathibitari-ini. Umwe wa maria makinyanirio ari ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ukorwo ario egutangikira marihi ma guthaitira mashini ici kwa ihinda riri.
We wish to reiterate that as county governments, we are committed to ensure that specialized services such as renal, theatre, imaging and ICU at the county level remain undisrupted. Good day.